Most growing service businesses make the same mistake. They choose software based on what works today, instead of what they'll need 2 or 3 years from now. Here's the truth no one tells you. The platform that feels easier at 10 employees may not be the best choice at 50 employees. In this video, we're comparing ServiceTitan and Housecall Pro, specifically for larger companies, in 2026. You'll learn which platform handles growth better, where each one shines, and which option delivers the most value as your operation scales. Let's get straight to the answer. For larger service businesses with multiple teams, dispatchers, managers, and aggressive growth goals, ServiceTitan is generally built with scale in mind. Housecall Pro remains a strong solution, but it is often favored by smaller and mid-sized companies looking for simplicity and ease of use. But here's the problem. Many owners only compare basic features like scheduling and invoicing. The real difference appears when your business starts growing quickly. Imagine Jake owns an HVAC company with 40 technicians. Every day he manages hundreds of appointments, tracks technician performance, monitors revenue, and oversees multiple office staff. At that size, advanced reporting and operational visibility become critical. This is where ServiceTitan often stands out. ServiceTitan offers extensive reporting, business analytics, call tracking, sales tools, technician scorecards, and enterprise-level management features. These tools help larger organizations make data-driven decisions and identify growth opportunities. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro handles core field service operations very well. Scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoices, customer communication, and payments are all streamlined and user-friendly. Many teams appreciate how quickly they can get started. However, as companies become larger and more complex, some owners begin looking for deeper customization and more advanced reporting capabilities. This is where most people fail. They assume more features automatically means a better experience. In reality, software complexity matters. ServiceTitan's larger feature set often comes with a steeper learning curve. Training staff may take longer, and implementation can require more planning. Housecall Pro, on the other hand, is generally easier for new users to adopt. That simplicity can save time and reduce friction for growing businesses. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to decide between them. Ask yourself one question. Is your primary goal simplicity or scalability? If Alex runs a plumbing company with 12 technicians and wants efficient scheduling, invoicing, and customer management, Housecall Pro may be the better fit. If John runs a service company with multiple locations, dedicated managers, and plans for major expansion, ServiceTitan's advanced operational tools can provide long-term advantages. The bottom line is simple. For larger companies focused on scaling operations and using data to drive growth, ServiceTitan usually has the edge. For businesses that prioritize ease of use and streamlined workflows, Housecall Pro remains a strong contender. Now you know the strengths of both platforms and which one aligns better with your growth strategy. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more software reviews, and comment below with the size of your business and which platform you're considering.